A funnel chart is used to visualize drop-offs across stages, such as leads to conversions. Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in funnel chart, but it's easy to create one using a stacked bar chart. A funnel chart shows values decreasing step by step. Each stage represents a proportion of the total. The widest part at the top shows the starting stage, and the narrowest part at the bottom shows the final outcome. This makes it easy to identify where the biggest drop-offs happen. For example, let's consider website visitor trends with these 6 stages: website visitors, signups or lead captures, qualified leads, product demos scheduled, proposals sent, and deals closed. Let's create a funnel chart using this data. In this sheet, the 6 stages are listed in column A, and the corresponding values are in column C. Column B is currently empty. We'll use this as a helper column. In the helper column, calculate the difference between the maximum value and each stage value, and then divide the result by 2. You can use this formula: max of C2 to C7 minus C2 to C7 divided by 2, entered as an array formula. Label this column as helper. Now, creating the funnel chart is very easy. Select the range A1 to C7. Click Insert, then Chart. Google Sheets will automatically insert a chart. If it doesn't look like a funnel, open the Chart Type dropdown and select Stacked Bar Chart. Next, go to the Customize tab. Under Series, select Helper and change the fill color to white. Then open Legend, set the position to none, and you're done. You've successfully created a funnel chart in Google Sheets. It's that simple. If you want to create a funnel chart like this with interactive color themes, such as blue gradient, green gradient, neutral gray-blue, or vibrant multicolor, you can use a SPARKLINE-based formula. Check out the blog post linked in the description below for step-by-step instructions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.